the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 24. Don't lose your way. Average people can't handle different. They need everybody and everything to be the same. They need the comfort of familiarity. They need to see themselves reflected in everything that they do. The trouble is that self is always partly an illusion that requires an external reflection to be understood. You have to relate to others by knowing yourself and your perceived limitations. Experience must be punctuated with an interest in your own thinking about who you are and who you wish to become, and of course, how. Attention is dictated by perspective. Both pleasure and pain motivate in a way that stimulates who you are based on how you felt the last time you were in a similar situation. We are held hostage by our own thoughts about how we wish to feel. The thing is that there is no central point to life's experiences. We always live at the edge of now, on the border of tomorrow. As yet the future is unwritten and empty, but we can fill it with whatever we desire. The ultimate truth is found in being open to possibilities. Concentration leads to more satisfaction than a scattered approach to life. Your focus on the right attitude will lead you to having the right aptitudes. Principles. 1. Progress requires insight. 2. Experiences must be sought. 3. Desire is always fleeting. 4. Love is a transactional process. 5. Seek your own joy within other people's joy. 6. The highest value is reserved for honesty. 7. Ethics are an emotional endgame. Freedom is the ability to exist without resistance and acquire without accumulation. Peak experiences only have a momentary half-life. They are here and then they are gone. They appear and then they vanish, like ghosts. Life is in essence unsatisfactory because every condition comes to pass. Dissipation is the downside of elation. Trying to hold happiness is like trying to hold water in your hands. The river flows away from you just as fast as it came towards you. Movement is the source of all opportunity. Everything comfortable becomes uncomfortable over time. Consciousness itself must free itself from its own contents. It's complicated because it's simple. The challenge of the diction is part of the day. You have to work through the problem. You won't feel satisfied until all of the necessary processes are completed. Then you can level up and move on towards the light. Love the process. You can't wait for everything to be reciprocated, otherwise you will be paralyzed by the suffering of others. Move on. This is Motivation and Mindset for Leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.